What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to go through how to use Metatrader 4. So this is on Android device. We're going to teach you guys how to enter trades. So when you open up your Metatrader 4, you'll be presented with quotes. I'm going to click GBP/USD and you'll get this. New order, open charts, symbol properties, and simple view mode. You always want to keep your charts on advanced view mode so you can see the spread and the high and the low within the charts. You have open chart, symbol properties, and new order, right? So we already know what open chart does. It will take you to your chart. We're going to go to new order. So once you're here, you'll see market execution. You already know the definitions of buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Market execution means immediately. So I'm just going to go with that one. To the left and to the all the way to the left and all the way to the right, you'll have the option to increase your lot sizes by tens. And to the immediate left and immediate right, single digits. So that's how you choose your lot sizes. To the left, you'll see the red line. This would be your stop loss. You'll just go into the market, go into the trade, find the numbers, and copy and paste them here for the stop loss. Vice versa on this side for the take profit. This is for market execution. If you were to click any other one, it will ask you for price, because these are limits and stops. Market execution is immediately into the market, and limits and stops are for when the market comes to that area. So you would have to input the price to see when the market comes here, it could be activated. So now that we have all that, going back to market execution, the last thing you would need to do is just click sell or buy. All right, hope that clarified some stuff for you guys. See you guys on the next channel.